Hello everyone and welcome to the Car Trigger, and on this video we're gonna show you top 10 upcoming sport and super sport bikes in India of 2021. Let's start this video. So at number 10 we have Kawasaki's Versys X300. This bike is a younger sibling of Kawasaki's Versys X1000 and this bike is coming on August 2021. This bike can be good competitor against Benelli TRK 502 and 502X. Let's see the specs of this bike.
So the Versys X300 comes with a new livery, but with the same old halogen headlamps. But see, the design is overall very good. As you can see, the new colors except the green, which Kawasaki always has used. The grey color is very nice. The top feature is comes with the new styling. As you can see the new windshield comes, and the comfort. They focused on the comfort, and it is fully loaded with the new pack of accessories which Kawasaki provide, which comes with the rail guards, lights in that rail guards and the backpacks. So the Kawasaki X300 comes with a parallel twin cylinder with 38.7 brake horsepower, 25.7 Newton meter of torque, with a petrol engine and 296cc, and with a top speed of 132 km per hour. So let's jump to the ninth bike.
So at number 9 we have Honda CBR 300R. This is sport bike in 300cc segment. So many people in India don't consider CBR. They go for Ninja 300 or Yamaha's R3. So now Honda brought their CBR 300R and has given a good competition to the Yamaha and Kawasaki. Let's see the specs, and this bike cost around 2 lakhs to 2.3 lakhs. Let's see the specs of this bike.
So let's see what's new in this CBR 300R. See, it's too much aggressive looking as compared to Yamaha R3 and Ninja 300. And very newest thing is that metallic black color which comes in the except the red color which Honda has used already. But one thing which I don't like is that in 300cc they has used single cylinder, but Yamaha R3 and Ninja 300 has parallel twin cylinder. This is why they have advantage in the sales matter. And the comfort, yes, it has a narrow seat and low seat height, means you can ride it very comfortably without, if your height is not enough, then also you can ride this bike very comfortably. So the CBR 300R comes with a 30 bhp single cylinder engine which can generate 27 Newton meter of torque, and this engine is of petrol type and it comes with a 286cc, not 300cc exactly. So let's jump to our 8th bike.
So at number 8 we have Yamaha's XSR 300. So this bike is a retro looking of the Yamaha's R3. So this bike comes in a price tag of 3.3 lakhs to the 3.5 lakhs. And this bike is expected to launch at July 2021. Let's see the specs of this bike.
So the main feature of Yamaha XSR 300 is its look. Its looks is amazing as compared to the Yamaha R3, which is not a retro looking bike. And see, I am going to show you the key features. The key features is a powerful twin cylinder engine, FI technology, that is fuel injection, anti-lock braking system, 2-channel ABS, dual purpose tire, slipper clutch, LED headlamps, LED tail lamps, digital instrument cluster. And this bike comes with a 321cc parallel twin cylinder which generates 40.8 brake horsepower and 29.6 Newton meter of torque. Let's jump to the 7th bike.
So number 7 is the most awaited bike from Aprilia, that is Tuono 660. Now this bike's competitor is MT7 and this Triumph Street Triple RS. This bike price tag starts from 8,50,000 to 9,50,000. Let's see the specs of this bike.
So as you can see, the new Tuono 660 comes with a very cool looking, naked feeling super sport bike which has only parallel twin cylinder. That's the backward point in this. But as you can see, the design they have created is so much amazing. It comes with 3 colors. As you can see, I'm going to show you this color which is my favorite, and then black, the old looking, and this white. So the new Tuono 660 comes with 67 Newton meter of torque, which is okay but not good as CBR 650R, but it's fine. And the top speed of this Tuono 660 is 230 km per hour. Let's jump to our 6th bike.
So at number 6 we have our personal favorite, Sixth, ZX6. So we have 2021 ZX6R at number 6. Now this bike we are gonna buy. Okay, so let's stay tuned for that. We're gonna make motovlogging on this. We're gonna do track days also. So ZX6R is coming in a price tag of 12.5 to 13.5 lakhs. ZX6R is a better option for a track instead of Daytona and even instead of R6 in current days. So let's see the specs of this bike.
So the new 636 has arrived, that is Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R. As you can see, they have little bit changes in the downside, that is the red color they have put it on, but everything is, the new thing is that the livery has changed, not from upside but from downside something has changed, and the totally overall design is same. And some of the technology used in this bike is Kawasaki traction control, that is KTRC, power mode, Kawasaki intelligence anti-lock braking system, and Kawasaki quick shifter, upshifts. So this bike comes with a 636cc inline 4-cylinder which generates 132 bhp and 70.8 Nm of torque. And the highest top speed recorded in this bike is 282. Yes, let's jump to the fifth bike.
So guys, we have at number 5 none other than one more sport bike from Aprilia. This is the Aprilia's RS660. This is a sibling of RSV4, the new RSV4. And this bike gives a nice competition to the none other than the Yamaha's R7 and even the ZX6R, the Triumph Street Triple RS. And this bike can be launched in India at the price tag of 9.5 to the 10.5 lakhs. So let's see the specs of these bikes.
So the new Aprilia RS660 comes with a very aggressive and gorgeous looking body. So it have 3 colors: acid gold, apex black and lava red, which are so amazing, and the lava red is my special favorite. So this bike can be a very good choice for the purpose of trekking for beginners. And this bike comes with a 659cc parallel twin cylinder which generates 98.56 bhp and with 67 Nm of torque, and its top speed is 230 km/h. So let's jump out to the other bike.
So at number 4, we have none other than BMW's most successful bike. Even this bike was used in a movie Mission Impossible 5, you know, Tom Cruise. This bike name is none other than my brother's favorite, who's holding this camera. It's BMW's S1000RR. This bike has actually launched, but the new color is coming, that is black straw metallic. So let's see the spec of this bike.
So what's new in this bike is just the color and nothing, and the BS6 engine, and everything is same as the old. This comes with the inline 4-cylinder engine, and just I want to show you the colors, which earlier this color was there and red. One more color was there, that is red, and now everything has been changed. This is the BMW M Sport color, motorsport color, and then this second one, this is the new color, Hockenheim silver metallic, and then the last one is black straw metallic. Yes, this bike comes with the inline 4-cylinder which generates 200.8 bhp and 113 Nm of torque, which has 999cc, not exactly 1000cc. The weight of this bike is just 194 kg and the top speed is 330 km/h. Let's jump to the third bike.
So at number 3, we have none other than my favorite bike. My favorite bike used to be ZX10R, but ZX10R has already launched in India. So this bike is winning lots of MotoGP World Champions. This bike's company actually, not bike. Okay, I'm talking about Honda. This is Honda's CBR 1000 RR-R Fireblade SP. So this is coming to India in July. So very huge happy moment for Indians that the CBR is coming, and CBR is in full form cause this is 217 horsepower beast. This is the top 6 speedest bike of the world. So let's see the specs of this bike. And one more thing, in future maybe we can buy this bike in a 1000cc segment. So let's see the specs of this bike.
Earlier it was just a double R, and now we have one more extra R which comes with a completely new design, and everything has changed. It comes with 3 colors. First is Grand Prix Red SP, and then Matte Pearl Morian Black, and then Grand Prix Red Standard version. It comes with exactly 1000cc engine, inline 4 engine which is, and the power is 217.5 PS, which generates 130 Newton meter of torque. It can reach up to 340 km per hour, which makes it world's 6th fastest bike in 2021. Let's jump to the second bike.
So finally, at number 2, we have the Ducati's Panigale V4R. Now this bike is the third most speediest bike of the world. So I don't think so I should say the specs of this bike, because I know you guys know this is the third most speediest bike of the world. V4 engine, and many guys love it. I think the price of this bike can be, this bike is coming I think at June, July, and this bike top speed is, let's see the specs of this bike.
In the new Panigale V4R, there's nothing new, just a BS6 engine, and this color is also same. It has only one color, which is red. And I want to show you some small specs, like, see, with racing kit, it comes with, without racing kit, it can generate about 221 horsepower and it can weight about 172 kilogram. And with racing kit, it can generate about 234 horsepower and it can weight about 165.5 kilograms. If you wanna make future in the racing career, and this bike is one of the best bike to do trekking. This hyperbike can reach maximum speed limit of 365 km per hour, which is very equivalent to the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. And this is why this bike is the third fastest bike in the world of 2021. And finally, let's jump to the first bike.
So at number 1, we have one more V4. Now this is the new RSV4. I'm talking about the RSV4 1100 factory. I think this bike is the 5th fastest bike of the world, and the expected price, I think it's 28 to 30 lakhs rupees, and this is the fully new RSV4. Expected launch is like maybe this bike can come in November 2021. So let's see the specs of this bike.
The most awaited bike, the RSV4 1100 factory, is going to come to India. Yes, the 2021 RSV4 1100 factory. And this bike has a completely new design winglet as compared to the old one. This bike comes with a very legendary V4 engine, which makes it the best sounding V4 engine in this world. It can generate about 214 brake horsepower, 122 Newton meter of torque, and it has 1078 cc. The top speed of this bike is nearly 235 to 240 km per hour, which makes it the 5th fastest bike in 2021. We hope that you guys liked our video, and please check in the description. We have given the list which we have described in our video, and please comment down below in which topic should we make our next video. And our plan is to make top 10 upcoming luxury cars of 2021. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel, The Car Trigger. Please like the video, share our video, and
That's it.
And that's it.
You'll see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now.